Welcome to the practical guide on creating your first Shingo process map in Cleverom. In this video, we'll build on the Shingo process mapping theory you've learned and guide you step by step in creating your first process map in Cleverom. We'll follow the same order as in the theory video on Shingo process mapping. We start with outputs and customers, move to inputs and suppliers, and then continue with adding process steps, operation steps, arrows, organizations, and systems. Let's start by creating a new Shingo process map in Cleverom. Click Create a New Process in the home screen or the blue plus button on the left. Type the name of your process in the field and press Create. If you want to use AI to get started, click Generate from Text instead of Create. To learn more about using Cleverom with AI, watch our tutorials on Cleverom's AI features. Now that we have a blank process canvas open, we are ready to begin. Start by defining outputs and customers. From the canvas, open the Output Customer window, click Add Output, and enter your output. Then click the Customer field to add a customer. To add more customers to the same output, click Add Customer. Remember, the customers can be internal or external. Now let's define inputs and suppliers. Open the Supplier Input window, add the inputs, and then add the corresponding suppliers. Once your outputs, customers, inputs, and suppliers are in place, your process boundaries are set, and you're ready to map the process steps. Process steps describe what happens in the process from start to finish, and flow from left to right. Use the Create Process button or hold Control and click the canvas to add a process step. You can add more steps the same way or by clicking the square icon to the right. Remember to describe each step starting with a verb. Operation steps detail how the work in each process step is carried out and flow from bottom to top. Use the Create Operation button or hold Shift and click the canvas to add an operation step. Alternatively, click the square icon below or above an operation step to add more operation steps. With all your steps in place, it's time to show the flow of the process using arrows. Click the step where the arrow should start, then hold Control and click the step where it should end. Alternatively, choose an arrow from the step toolbar and drag the arrow between the two steps. Note that an operation step can have multiple incoming arrows and multiple outgoing arrows. This is useful for illustrating process variations or alternative paths. However, a single operation step can connect to only one process step. This keeps the structure clear and avoids breaking process boundaries. Now that we have our process flow, let's assign responsibility. Start by opening the Organizations window and press the blue plus button to add a new organization to your Cleverom environment, if you do not yet have any. Once you've added an organization in Cleverom, you can use it in any of your process maps. To add an organization to an operation step, select one operation step or multiple steps, and then simply choose the responsible organization from your organization list. Remember, one operation step can have only one organization to keep accountability clear. Finally, add the systems used in each operation step. Open the Systems window, complete the list with relevant systems, and then add them to the correct operation steps. Unlike organizations, you can assign multiple systems to an operation step. And that's it. Add some finishing touches, and you have created a complete Shingo process map in Cleverom. Your map saves automatically, so there is no danger of losing progress. To share it with your team, click the Share button or copy the link directly from the address bar. With practice, creating Shingo process maps in Cleverom will become second nature, helping you quickly visualize and improve any process. Now you can go and build your second process map in Cleverom or continue with our other tutorials to deepen your process development skills. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Enjoy the clever way to develop your processes.